Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we have got some good news for you guys. A huge new partnership for Crypto.com, and last night we saw a very bullish move for CRO, which we have been waiting for. But we're going to talk about something besides just a partnership, a new event coming up for Crypto.com to further drive adoption towards the Crypto.com exchange and adoption of the CRONOS coin, which we have all been waiting for, because I know the CRO fam has been out there buying the dip and waiting for some upward price movement from Crypto.com and CRONOS, and we finally got a little bit of it. But there's some also bearish news in the market, the broader market, that we need to address, having to do with the Fed and interest rates and the battle against inflation. So we're going to talk a little bit about that and more in today's video. If you guys like that kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers in the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So please, guys, do not miss out on that. You want to take advantage of that. Let's look at these charts. Let's see what's going on in these crypto markets, and let's see where we're at. Currently an $852 billion market cap for crypto. Bitcoin dominance at 38%. Bitcoin at $17,000, just under $17,000. And yesterday, we had a pretty good little pump up to 17.3, 17.4, but we kind of came right back down, and we will get to why we kind of came back down in a second. Ethereum just below 1,300. Binance below 300 bucks. Looking at CRONOS currently at pretty good, just under 7 cents. Guys, we were above 7 cents this morning, and we had a nice 15% pump last night, and there's a couple reasons why, which I want to share with you in a moment. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and consider joining our different membership tiers that we have. Again, coming out with a lot of content. And tomorrow night at 5:30 Central Standard Time, we do have a live stream, so hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out there. But guys, CRO was rallying yesterday on account of the Crypto.com announcement of its partnership with Coca-Cola. Actually, I saw it go up by 15%, so this publication Medicaid slightly off, but you know, it was about a 10% pump, a little bit more than that. Very interesting article I want to share with you guys. First of all, I want to note there's some good press finally for Crypto.com, which is fantastic to see considering all the FUD we've been getting as of late. But this Coca-Cola partnership, guys, it is very big news, very exciting indeed, because Crypto.com, yeah, they have an exclusive sponsorship right now with the FIFA World Cup, and they are the only crypto sponsor, part of that, those sponsors for the event. But now Coca-Cola is a partner with them directly. Now, Coca-Cola is a sponsor of the FIFA World Cup as well, but it looks like they're teaming up outside of FIFA, which is very, very cool to see. But something I want to note, very weird about this article, where to buy CRO. Notice how in this article they say CoinX and OKCoin. Why would they promote CRO coin and good news for CRO coin, and then at the bottom of this article not say that Crypto.com is an option to buy this coin on, considering Crypto.com is a much safer and much larger exchange than CoinX and OKCoin. Is it safer? I'm not really sure, but it's definitely larger. It's definitely larger as an exchange. It's very strange that this publication would not promote that you could buy it on Crypto.com, which makes me think there's something going on and they got some kind of partnerships maybe with these exchanges. But regardless, good to see that Crypto.com is making some positive headlines, but thought I should point out this to you guys, because I just can't wait for the day where people are starting to recommend people to go buy coins on Crypto.com like they should be. What a fantastic exchange. The official press release from Crypto.com is pretty cool. If you guys haven't checked it out, I want to share it with you here. But the announcement officially is Coca-Cola teams up with Crypto.com and digital artist G-Monk to release NFTs celebrating the FIFA World Cup Qatar of 2022, which is very, very neat to see. In case you don't know who G-Monk is, he is a digital artist that has been in the digital space for 20 years, including being the creative genius behind the sci-fi look of Hollywood films Tron, Legacy, and Oblivion, and more, which is very, very cool. And they talk a little bit about what's going on with Coca-Cola in the Middle East, but very cool that Coca-Cola is very big in the Middle East, so going to get a lot of exposure over there, and Crypto.com being a part of that campaign is fantastic to see. Now, when I was reading through this, I realized something that I wanted to share with you guys. Coca-Cola is a Fortune 500 company. Coca-Cola is one of the biggest companies in the world. So this is a very good event to see. And I also want to highlight something very, very interesting. So a lot of people have known that Warren Buffett is not a fan of cryptocurrency, and he has called it rat poison. He's called it a Ponzi scheme. His partner, Charlie Munger, has said very similar remarks towards Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Also, something I want to note for you, if you look at the top, the top stock picks for Warren Buffett, let's look at the end of September for this year, what their biggest stocks were. One, Bank of America, they have 1.01 billion worth of that number of shares, 1.01 billion shares. Apple, 894 million shares. Coca-Cola, its third biggest holding with 400 million shares. What's my point here? My point here is Warren Buffett hates crypto, but one of his favorite companies in the entire world clearly likes it. They partnered with him, guys, so is it only a matter of time before Warren Buffett changes his mind? His favorite stock, one of his top 3 favorite stocks in the world, top 3 holdings that he has, just partnered up with Crypto.com. This is very cool, guys. This is very cool news. It's only a matter of time before the ancient folks out there like Warren Buffett and all the gray-haired folks, old-time investors, see that even an old company like Coca-Cola is changing with the times, and they know that they should be partnering up with some of the leaders of the future, aka Crypto.com and other crypto companies to come. But Crypto.com and Coca-Cola, very exciting to see them partnering up, guys. This is very, very interesting. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the chat down below. I had to draw the lines. I had to connect the dots on this one. Warren Buffett holds Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola partnerships with Crypto.com. Warren Buffett hates crypto. LOL. Had to do it, guys. Had to do it. Also very exciting for Crypto.com, now live, the BTC Supercharger event, which is going to be available at some point here for folks in the U.S. They have allocated $250,000 for bonus rewards. What you can do is stake your CRO and earn BTC up to 19% annual interest. And 888 participants can get a 10x multiplier NFT. This is separate from the Coca-Cola event, guys. Just another cherry on top of a beautiful Crypto.com Sunday that they have prepared for us going into the next bull run, guys. Plus, where's my Loaded Lion family at? I want to see in the chat below. Loaded Lion collectors stand a higher chance to win, guys. Crypto.com is giving everybody all the incentives in the world to get into the Loaded Lion ecosystem. And I'm very, very happy because I did personally get a Loaded Lion recently. Very excited about it. My Loaded Lion is part of the Suit Gang, also the Viking Gang, and I got myself a little pirate eye patch as well. Couldn't help myself. I also had to get myself a Cyber Cub, which I've been talking about. But the reason I did it, guys, is because I do believe that there's going to be a lot of benefits coming, one of them being this BTC Supercharger event that is coming very soon. Don't have all the information on this, guys, but it is very cool. Another way to drive crypto adoption. Some questions you might be asking yourself, well, what does this mean for me if I'm staking in DeFi? Great question indeed. I don't have the answer to that one yet, but as soon as I find out, and I'm going to be continuing to dig into this for us here at the Crypto Report, as soon as I find out, I will let you know. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you tap the notification bell. We're doing a lot for you guys over here and providing news and bringing some great opportunities, one of which, if you guys are looking to open up a trade right now, in anticipation for this bull market, you can do so by looking in the links in the description down below. There's $600 free if you sign up for Binance. Also, free sign-on bonuses when you go to BitGet, which is a leverage trading platform, guys. So a lot of cool opportunities. Make sure you check it out in the description down below. But Crypto.com is doing a lot of great things, including, there is access coming for institutional investors. They just upped their deposit and limits and withdrawal limits to $10 million. They're bringing a lot more big boys into the picture. And when I hopped into this, they are going to be upgrading to the Exchange 3.0 very soon. So they're continuously doing more for the space. So other things going on in the news right now. We did have a crypto pump last night, but today the Dow plunged nearly 500 points as the Fed rate hike fears mount. Guys, we have been pretty bullish lately, looking for a Santa rally at the end of the year, and also anticipating the FOMC was going to come out and Federal Chair Jerome Powell was going to change to a dovish stance from a 0.75% interest rate hike in the last FOMC meeting to potentially a 0.5% interest rate hike in the next one. But guys, unfortunately, just the other day, there was a market sell-off today because the U.S. services sector reported some data. This is the largest portion of the U.S. economy and the numbers came in stronger than expected for November, which does cause fears that the interest rate hike may still be at 0.75% instead of 0.5. Right now, investors are pricing about a 75% probability that lawmakers will still go with a 0.5 percentage point, so that's pretty good. But there is a 25% probability of another larger 3/4 point hike. So this could happen, guys. So there's still fears out there. That's kind of why we saw a little bit of bearish action in the traditional market today. But very important to note that while there was bearish thoughts going on in the traditional market, what happened with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, guys, actually held very well, held support as the S&P dropped. So, Bitcoin bears, look out, because Bitcoin is holding strong as, news came out about interest rate hikes and fears about the jobs report. So we're looking good as crypto holders, guys. We're still holding it just under 17,000, just around 17,000. I really do think we could still have that Santa rally, but we have to look out because there are folks out there saying, there's bears, guys. Bitcoin could sink to 5K in 2023. I doubt it. Now, this is like their worst case scenario, so don't get all freaked out about this. This is FUD at the end of the day. They're talking about their absolute worst case scenario, which, sure, worst case scenario, maybe. Do I think we're going to go down there? Absolutely not. That is not what I think at all. Is it possible? Sure. I would think more of a 10 to 12, maybe 14K bottom if we're not already there. Because, guys, I really do think that the bottom is near, if not behind us. And other folks out there like Tim Draper are predicting that there's a $250,000 price target for crypto in the next year. So this is ridiculous. I mean, we've got price targets of $5,000 and $250,000. Who's right? Well, I don't have that answer for you guys because unfortunately I cannot predict the future. And if I was Tim Draper, I wouldn't be going out on a limb like this either. But if I was whoever, the bear is in this publication, I wouldn't be going out on a limb like this either. Standard Chartered really going out on a limb there. But the point is, guys, is though, I can't predict the future and you can't predict the future and we'd all be richer if we could. We know, looking at the history of Bitcoin and the history of crypto and the history of markets in general, the prices are low. The fear and greed index is low. And this is the accumulation phase for crypto. And those of us that buy this dip and accumulate these assets during this bear market will create generational wealth in the future. There's opportunities to take advantage of free sign-on bonuses when you sign up for new exchanges. We got those in the link in the description down below. If you guys are a diamond hander and you're proud, we are offering t-shirts as well in the merch down below. You can check that out. But guys, I'm bullish. I'm buying the dip. I'm continuing to buy Coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, other projects as well. Cosmos is fantastic. So many great projects out there. Ripple, as long as that SEC case gets resolved, that could go to the moon. Binance is a spectacular project as well. You might have some feelings about CZ and Binance. I get it, but guys, it's one of the top projects out there. There's a lot of great projects and a lot of opportunities for us out there right now. And we'll keep you up to date with all things that we're doing here at the Crypto Report. Make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that notification bell. Tomorrow, Tuesdays and Thursdays, guys, live streams at 5:30 Central Standard Time. Do not miss out on it. That's all I got for you in today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.